Welcome back, friends. Today I have for you some exciting and fun Christmas crafts. And we're going to start with one of these little ornaments with a snowman shape from Dollar Tree. They're $1.25, and I love that they're foam and so easy to work with. We're also going to start with a piece of poster board. It does not have to be big. And then this blue stock paper, which I think is gorgeous. We're going to have hot glue as well as double-sided tape. Although this is optional, you can use a glue stick, scissors, and we're going to start by folding the paper in half. We're going to create a greeting card so it does not matter what size, whatever size you want that. Now we're going to start by putting some things inside because once we create the greeting card, it's going to be harder to put anything inside. So we're going to take this hole puncher in the shape of a snowflake, punch a few of them, and then we are going to hot glue them inside the greeting card. Again, this is where you would want to write a message, write whatever you want before you add anything to the front. I'm going to add the snowflakes here and there, leaving enough space for a nice message. Then we're going to close it up, and then we're going to start adding the front embellishments. We're going to cut off the poster board, and we're just going to kind of place it centered, and then we're going to wiggle it around, and we're going to create this like wiggly white shape because we're going to create a melting snowman greeting card. So once we have a trace, we're just going to cut it, and then we're going to use a double-sided tape, and we're going to attach it right in the center. We are now going to take the snowman, remove everything from it, and I mean everything, except for the hat, the nose, like the head area. We're going to remove the stick arms, the buttons, and we're going to nicely and carefully remove the rest of the body, leaving just the head. I like to cut and then keep cutting as needed so that I get exactly what I want. Then we're going to hot glue it right in the center. We're going to clean up the little stick arms, and then we're just going to hot glue them one to each side, kind of like they melted right off of him. And then we're going to add the buttons that were already there, and we're just going to put them in front of him just like that. Then we're going to adjust the scarf, and we're going to hot glue them, making sure that they're not going to be flapping around. This was by far one of the easiest crafts ever. And if you don't have a snowman ornament, you can also recreate these using your own items. But I think it's adorable. What a great little greeting card you can make. And anyone would love to receive this. I love the way it turned out. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I love crafting using these Dollar Tree mason jars, and I often get a ton of lids left over. And we're going to start this next craft with one of these. We are also going to take another stock paper. This is a lighter blue. And we're going to take some faux snow. You can find these at Walmart, Amazon, or even Dollar Tree. These window clings are from Dollar Tree. We're going to use one. And a piece of plastic. This is just from a packaging that I had on hand. White yarn, scissors, as well as hot glue and a pencil. Now we're going to start by taking the lid, and we're just going to trace it on the blue paper, and then we are going to cut it. I'm going to just dry fit it to see where I'm at, and then I'm just going to trim off a few little X's on the edges, just that way we're going to fit it right inside. Again, I like to start bigger and work my way down. That way we can know that we're not cutting off too much. All right, now we're going to take the window cling, and we're going to take the snowman one because these are snowman themed crafts. And we're going to place it right there in the center, taking up as much space as possible. And then we're just going to cut off the X's from the bottom. That way we're going to have a nice shape. And then we're going to take the hot glue, and we're just going to hot glue it to the inside of the lid, working a little fast because it does dry up or harden pretty quickly. We are going to add a little bit of the faux snow. A little bit goes a long way, okay? I've done this before. All right, so we're just going to then take the plastic wrap, and we're just going to add it to the rim. So we're just going to add a little bit of hot glue around the rim, again working a little fast, and then placing the plastic on top. If it wrinkles up a little bit, don't worry. It's about having fun. Once attached, it should be all nice and attached where no faux snow is going to come out. We are going to then cut off the excess plastic from the edges. Now you're going to see a lot of the clumpiness of the glue and a little bit of the plastic. So we're just going to cover that up with the yarn. Now I'm going to leave this one like this, but you can add more yarn and make it into an ornament. But I think it's adorable just like this. My daughter loved it, and I think it's adorable. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we are going to take 2 of these paper rolls and 2 of the vinyl from Dollar Tree in the white and the orange. We're also going to use some buttons. These are from Dollar Tree as well. And we're going to take my scissors as well as the hot glue and a pencil. We're going to wrap both of the rolls with the white vinyl first. So we're just going to cut off a piece, cut it in half, and then we're just going to use it like a sticker and cover the rolls. And then we are going to remove the excess vinyl from each side and repeat the process on the second roll. Right now that we have them nicely covered, we are going to leave one of them just like that, but the other one we're going to cut. The first piece we're going to cut is going to be 2.5 inch, and then we're going to leave the remaining piece just like is. And then we are going to hot glue from largest to smallest to create that snowman design. And we're going to add it. A little bit of hot glue goes a long way, and you can also use staples if you need to. I am going to draw a couple of eyes using a permanent marker. You can also use a pen or even cut off little pieces of black paper. Then we're going to add a nose. So this is where the orange vinyl comes in place. I'm going to take a nice and large one, cut into a triangle shape, remove the back, and then add it right there. Then we're going to take the buttons from Dollar Tree, and we don't need to have them all match. I think if they don't match, it's even better. Just a lot more fun. And we're going to add 3 of them, 1 on the bottom, which would be the largest, and then 2 of them on the middle one. Now you can leave it just like this if you want, but I am going to make this into an ornament, so I just want to hang it through some yarn, and we're just going to loop it, tie it, cut off the excess, and then we're going to flip the knot inside of the top row and hot glue it in place so it doesn't come off. And again, I think it's absolutely adorable. I made a tree recently using these same rows, but I think a snowman is so stinking cute. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree Christmas crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.